Easy Chill English. Sit back, listen, and let English come to you. Someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
And you say your name, your job, where you're from,
And they nod.
and look at their phone.
This is Easy Chill English.
And today, we build an introduction people actually remember.
So, new situation, a class, a party, a new job. Someone says, "Tell me about yourself." And most people say the same things.
My name is Leo. I am from Poland. I am a graphic designer. I like music.
And the other person says,
Oh, cool, and looks away.
"Why?"
Because it is just a list. Name, country, job, hobby. There is nothing to ask about, nothing to remember.
Yes, a list gives information, but information is not interesting. What is interesting is the real person behind the information.
The real person behind the information.
Yes. So today, we build your introduction, step by step. Each step has two parts, the fact and one small real thing behind it.
2 parts every time?
Yes, the fact tells what, the real thing shows who. Let us start. Step 1, your name.
My name is Leo.
Good. Now add one small real thing. Something true about your name, how people say it, what it means, anything.
My name is Leo. Most people say it easily, but some people say it like the animal. I do not mind.
I do not mind. Good phrase. It means it's okay. It does not bother you. And now someone can ask, does that happen often? Or, I like your name. One small true thing. And a door opens.
From my name?
From your name. Step 2, where you are from.
I am from Poland.
Good. Now one real thing behind it. Not a fact about Poland. Something you actually feel or notice.
I am from Poland. People think it is always cold there, and they are right. But the summers are beautiful. Nobody takes photos of the winters, only the summers.
Nobody takes photos of the winters.
Only the sunny days, never the gray ones.
And now I want to ask, where in Poland? What are the summers like? 2 questions from one real sentence.
I am from Poland. People think it is always cold, but the summers are beautiful. Nobody photographs the winters.
Good. Say both steps together now.
My name is Leo. Most people say it easily, but some people say it like the animal. I do not mind. I am from Poland. People think it is always cold, but the summers are beautiful. Nobody photographs the winters.
Good. 2 steps, already interesting. Already a real person.
Just from my name and my country?
Just from your name and your country.
Lara, I did not always know this. Last week, dinner party, new people.
What happened?
I prepared everything at home. Name, job, city, hobbies. Perfect. Clean. I said it all. Every word. No mistakes.
And?
The man said, cool, interesting, and turned and started talking about football.
Football.
I stood there, holding my glass. All facts, all correct, all completely forgettable. Forgettable, Forgettable, means easy to forget.
Facts are a mask. Details are a window. A mask hides you. A window shows you. Your facts were hiding the real Leo.
Facts are a mask. Details are a window. Yes, behind those facts, nobody could see me.
Exactly. So, step 3, what you do, your job, your study, how you spend your days.
I am a graphic designer.
Good. Now, one real thing behind it.
I am a graphic designer. I work alone most days, just me and my computer and my coffee and my cat, who ignores me completely.
The cat appears.
She is always there, in the background, ignoring me very loudly.
Perfect. Now someone asks, do you enjoy working alone? Or what kind of things do you design? The door opens completely.
I am a graphic designer. I work alone most days, just me and my computer and my coffee, And my cat, who ignores me completely.
Good. And step 4, one unexpected thing. Unexpected, unexpected, means nobody saw it coming. Something small, something only you. Not impressive, just real.
I have something.
What?
My cat. She has never once been happy to see me. 7 years. Not once.
Leo, that is the most unexpected thing I have ever heard.
Really? It's just my cat.
That is exactly why it works. Nobody expects it, so nobody forgets it.
The thing nobody expects, that's the thing they always remember.
Always. Memorable, memorable, means easy to remember, something that stays. The cat is memorable. The Polish winters are memorable. Working alone with a cat who ignores you, memorable. Small, real, unexpected, always memorable.
Small, real, unexpected, memorable. I want to remember this.
You will. Now say steps 3 and 4 together.
I am a graphic designer. I work alone most days, just me and my computer and my coffee, and my cat, who ignores me completely. And she has never once been happy to see me. 7 years, not once.
Leo, I already want to ask about the cat and whether you talk to her while you work.
2 questions from 2 sentences.
2 questions, 2 open doors. I have a story too. A cooking class, 3 months ago.
What happened?
New class, new people, everyone introduced themselves. When it was my turn, my mind went empty. So I just said, my name is Lara, I love cooking, but I always burn rice. Every single time. Rice still wins.
You said that in front of everyone?
The whole table laughed. A woman said, me too. A man said, I have a trick. Do you want to know? I left with 2 new friends and a recipe I still use every week.
From burning rice?
From one honest, imperfect detail. Imperfect, imperfect, means not perfect. And imperfect details are the most powerful because everyone has something imperfect. When you share yours, people think, me too.
Me too is the beginning of every real connection.
Yes. And now, step 5, the last step, how to end your introduction and give the other person a turn.
What do I say?
But enough about me. What about you?
But enough about me. What about you?
Again, warmer.
But enough about me. What about you? 6 words, and the conversation moves to them.
Yes, you shared something real. Now you give them the space. This is how a real conversation works. Not one person talking, 2 people sharing.
Share something real, then give the space.
Now, the phrases, things every learner can use in any introduction, any day. First, my accent is doing its own thing. Doing its own thing means it goes its own way. It is different. It is mine, and that is okay.
My accent is doing its own thing.
Again,
My accent is doing its own thing. Yes, this is completely true for me.
accent, accent, means the way you sound when you speak. This phrase says, my English is not perfect, and I am okay with that. People love this. Second, I am still learning, but...
I am still learning, but my English is getting better every day.
Good. Once more.
I am still learning, but I understand more every week.
Yes, everyone in the room thinks, me too. Third, honestly, still figuring it out.
Honestly, still figuring it out. That is how I feel about English sometimes.
Yes, that lands every time. New city, new job, new class, new language. This phrase works everywhere. And fourth, it's hard to explain, but...
It's hard to explain, but I feel more comfortable alone than in a big crowd.
And now I want to ask, Really? Tell me more. This phrase invites people in. Invites means ask someone to come closer.
4 phrases and step 5. But enough about me. What about you?
That's everything you need.
Okay, I want to try. All 5 steps, right now.
I am listening.
My name is Leo. Most people say it easily, but some people say it like the animal. I do not mind. I am from Poland. People think it is always cold, but the summers are beautiful. Nobody photographs the winters. I am a graphic designer. I work alone most days, just me and my computer and my coffee, and my cat, who ignores me completely. She has never once been happy to see me. 7 years. Not once. I keep trying. But enough about me. What about you?
Leo.
Too much?
I want to ask you about the Polish summers and whether you talk to the cat while you work and whether she ever once looked happy.
3 questions from 1 introduction?
3 open doors.
At the dinner party, 0 doors. Now, 3.
Because you were there this time. The real you. Not perfect, not impressive, just real. And real is the only thing people remember.
Real is the only thing people remember.
Nobody remembers the perfect introduction. They remember the Polish summers nobody photographs. They remember the cat who has never once been happy.
She would hate knowing she is in an English podcast.
Famous and completely unbothered.
Completely unbothered. Okay, everyone listening. Your name. Add 1 small, real thing.
Where you are from, 1 honest detail.
What you do, 1 real thing behind it.
1 unexpected thing. Small. Only you.
But enough about me. What about you?
5 steps. That is your whole introduction.
And your 4 phrases. My accent is doing its own thing. I am still learning, but honestly still figuring it out. It is hard to explain, but use any one of them. Any day. They always open a door.
And remember, not impressive, not perfect.
Just real, just you.
Just real, just you.
That's the whole thing.
Our question for you today. Complete this sentence. 1 thing people never expect about me is... Write yours below. We want to read every single one.
And if you want, write your old introduction. Then add 1 detail. Show us the difference. We love seeing that.
Because the detail that feels too small, that is always the one people remember most.
Always.
If this episode helped you, subscribe to Easy Chill English so you never miss one.
And share this with 1 friend. 1 friend who always gives a list of facts. This one is for them.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember,
Small sentences every day.
your brain is listening,
Your brain is learning.
even right now.